Hello, and welcome back to another episode of NOTaR. So today is a very exciting episode, but I think it's going to take quite a while. It's going to be a bit of a progressive episode. So we are getting some custom panels made for the Scirocco. So it's going to be a new bonnet and new fenders, but today is the day that we're going to go and get it fitted up, and then I assume they're gonna cut them, paint them. We'll come back and then we'll install them, and then they will look mad. So I just thought I'd bring you along for the journey, and we're going down to Sussex Studios. So super big thanks to him, because we're going to be the first in the UK, so it's going to be pretty mad. But yeah, so thanks again to him. Let's head down to his shop and we'll see what's going on. So we are down at Illusions Automotive, but it is actually Sussex Studios which make the bonnets. So definitely hit them up if you are after anything customized. So they do a lot of Golfs, Audi A1s, S1s, all that kind of stuff. Definitely check out the link in the description. So first port of call was making sure that the cutout wasn't too big or too small. So we needed to test fit the bonnet. And obviously, you know, with anything on this channel, the cutout was too big, the bonnet didn't fit, so he needed to reduce the size of it. So that was something for another day, but we had some good measurements that we could fix for next time. So it was time to reinstall the bonnet and come back in a few weeks. So with it looking great and all painted, I came back so we could get it fitted. And despite making the scoop smaller, it still didn't fit. So we started cutting. So with the tallest point of the plastic trim trimmed off, the bonnet fitted, and as you can see here, it looked insane. And that concludes today's episode, guys. So we had quite a few hiccups. I mean, we had to like make the vent smaller, and then we still had to cut the thing off anyway. So to be honest, we might as well have left it as big as it was. But the bonnet does look insane, and we've got some black badges to come on. So that will be another episode in the future about swapping the badges over. But massive shout out to the guys at, well, Guy at Sussex Studios, and definitely hit him up and have a look at his channel on Instagram. And look at his shop, because he's got tons of vehicles and tons of versions of the bonnet that we've got installed, and it's some top quality work, and the painting is insane. So definitely hit him up. I'll leave a link in the description down below in case you want to check out his website. So please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.